Code Hood here with AccurlUSA. Just completed this 10x1/4 MasterCut shear here in Boaz, Alabama. Just wanted to go over a couple of really nice features that are equipped standard on this machine here. First, we have actually a CNC Elgo P40 touch control, automatic blade gap, and rig angle adjustment on this model. Along with that, as you can see, the machine is aesthetically appealing. Neon LED lights throughout the machine. This machine also does come standard with a 40-inch servo back gauge. Extremely fast and extremely precise. Lintex safety barriers in the rear. Bosch Rexroth hydraulic system. Siemens motor. Entering the electrical cabinet.